Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub. And in this video, I'm going to show you our next week, that means next Monday to Friday, market technical analysis. That means we are going to break down the market trends, support and resistance, supply and demand zones. So let's get started. Before we start, I'm going to show you our last week analysis result that we posted into our Telegram channel. As you can see there, we posted a lot of things into our Telegram channel. So if you already joined our Telegram channel, thank you very much. If you already not joined it yet, join our public Telegram channel. And we are sharing a lot of technical and fundamental analysis into our Telegram channel. And as per we shared that gold is reached all-time high again into our Telegram. And we also sharing fundamental things like how news works and how we can enter the news market or what is happening around the world. We are sharing all of the technical and fundamental things, so you may join our public Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel link is t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. You also can find out that into this video description box. So let's get back into our analysis. As per you know that we start our analysis from higher time frame, then we find out our entry in lower time frame. Okay, so let's get back into weekly time frame first. And as you can see there, market is on strong bullish from last few weeks. Okay, and as you can see, the last week's market is very much bullish. That means much more stronger than previous days. And right now we have to find out our direction, our path from the daily time frame. Okay, as you can see there, I just selected one daily time frame. Let me zoom in little bit more to make it more visible. And if you can see there was market on Friday, and when NFP news comes in US session, market just fly up because of negative impact on United States dollar or negative impact on USD. Okay, so if I want to draw some price action scenario like support and resistance and trend line areas, as you can see there is a breakout. There is a breakout from the market. And if I want to draw lower trend line, that means support trend line, once again, as you can see there, market connected this area one time, two time, three time, and four time. And for this area, 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally breakout from that particular area from the NFP news, and it's just trying to go up, and it breaks all-time high record on again. Okay, and so what we can do, or what is our next movement, or what we can take, where you can take entry in next week, that means Monday to Friday. So let's break down all of them. So if we want to find out our support or resistance area, you may see that that is our particular area. That means that can be our demand zone. Okay, that means market can go up from that area to that area, because if you see the upper side of the market, there is no support resistance trend line zone in into that particular area. Okay, maybe that all are empty. That means if market go up, it will continue to rising up, but we need to proper confirmation to go up. That means without any reason market can go up, and we are assuming that market will give us a pullback till the demand area, that means our latest support area, and then it may go up. It's a technical, from the technical view, you may see, just normally traders can see that, but we have to find out the reason, or we have to find out the proper path why market will go up from that particular area. So let's remove all of previous drawing and let's go back into 4-hour time frame. Simply in H4, if I want to draw a triangle, okay, you can also draw a support area in that particular area. Okay, this is the zone, that means this is the zone. And if we also want to see the movement, that means our latest high and low area, latest high and low zone, as you can see there, if I want to make that little bit, okay, our latest low and high zone over here. And due to our Fibonacci level, where is our level? As you can see there is a level, and there is another level, and there is another level. Okay, so let remove the Fibonacci retracement, and you may see there is our levels or our zones are working on that based on the Fibonacci retracement area. Okay, so from my view, market will market will go back till that particular area in a smaller time frame. Then you can take a buy entry based on the candle confirmation from that particular area, because there is a small support zone. It may fall down more than that, then we can take a buy entry for a while based on the candle confirmation. But there is a lot of news coming in upcoming days, so without any news confirmation, without any technical confirmation, that means candle confirmation, you can take any buy or sell entry. You must have to find out a reason to take buy or sell entry. So if you ask me, Mr. Boom, why you can take or why you want to take a buy entry, then my answer is I will wait till that particular area. That means till that particular area, then I can take buy entry for this risk to reward ratio. That means our target, that means our TP is around 269 pips and our SL should be around 151 pips. Where is our risk to reward ratio is 1.16. That means 1:2. It's like 1:2. Okay, so you may take that as a reference, but for more confirmation, you must have to wait for the next Monday or for the next news. So I hope all things clear now. If you have any more query or if you have any more conclusion, then you may ask me on Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel link in the video description box. So that's for today. Mr. Boom signing out.